Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Before I begin my presentation, let me introduce myself. My name is Wawan Pujistiawan, NPM 1966 000 and 3. Subject English 2. I am from Industrial Engineering, kelas non-regular, Universitas Islam Kalimantan, Muhammad Arsyad Al-Banjari, Banjarmasin. Okay, I would like to give a presentation about green energy conversion. I will begin by sharing the first slide. What is green energy? Green energy is any energy type that is generated from natural resources such as sunlight, wind, or water. The key with these energy resources are that they don't harm the environment. What is energy conversion? Energy can be changed from one form to another. We can see chemical energy convert to electrical energy or convert to kinetic energy, electricity, and mechanical. And another one, electricity convert to light or sound and light. Another else, we can see chemical convert to energy to work. The process of changing energy is called energy conversion. How does it work? Green energy comes from renewable energy technologies such as solar energy, wind power, geothermal energy, biomass, and hydroelectrical power. Each of these technologies works by taking power from the sun, using wind turbines or the flow of water to generate energy. Green energy system, a cycle of energy conversion that collects solar energy and uses biocatalysts to produce green fuels for production activities. We can see at the chart visible lights driven enzymes activation activation and the catalyst production and then cyclic utilization to the car. Outline configuration of energy conversion by renewable energy source. We will start from AC, air conditioner, renewable energy source. Yes, go to AC or AC converter, converter link DC link, and then the end to AC motor drives. Rectified AC or DC, and then DC loads. And another one, DC renewable energy source. Yeah, we have changed to two-stage or single-stage conversion until the end to rectifier AC/DC or DC loads or bidirectional converter or energy storage system. Yeah, we go to the next slide. Energy source and forms of energy conversion. We split into three pieces. Number one is energy source or renewable. We can see from the sun, go to biomass, ocean heat, geothermal source, wind, waves, or photovoltaic. And the number two, forms of energy. We can see chemical energy, nuclear energy, heat, mechanical energy, and electrical energy. And number three, energy source or non-renewable. We can see peat brown coal, petroleum products, radioactive isotopes. Yeah. From that picture, we can see energy loss or energy use. Yeah, energy use for industry, transport, service, and population. Okay, we go to the next slide. Energy source, we have type. The main source are wind energy, solar power, and hydroelectric power. There are renewable energy and non-renewable energy. Yeah, renewable energy we can see wind, hydropower, solar, geothermal, and biomass. And then non-renewable energy we can see oil, coal, nuclear. Yeah, we have see six most common form are as follow. Number one is solar power. This is renewable green energy source is produced using photovoltaic cells that capture sunlight and convert it into electricity. Solar power is also used to heat buildings and for hot water as well as for cooking and lighting. Number two, wind power. Wind energy uses the power of the flow of air around the world to push turbines that then generate electricity. Yeah, we can see the picture. On the left hand is turbine and the right hand is two power converter and controller. Okay, we go to the next slide. Number three is hydropower. Green energy uses the flow of water in rivers, streams, dams, or elsewhere to produce energy. Yeah, we can see dams at the left side and then uh, produce energy on the right side. Okay, next slide. Number four, geothermal energy. This green power uses thermal energy under the earth's crust. This resource requires drilling to access. This geothermal energy can be used for steam to turn turbines and generate electricity. Yeah. We can see turbine and generator at the left, cooling tower, energy stream. Yeah. Okay, next slide. Number five, biomass. Biomass power plants use wood waste, sawdust, and combustible organic agricultural waste to create energy. Yeah, we can see agricultural crops residues. Yeah, biomass source like forestry residues, animal residues. Yeah, and then revolutioning biomass fuel generation at the right side, and the output is heat and then electric power. Okay, number six, biofuel. These organic materials can be transformed into fuel such as ethanol and biodiesel. Plants used as a biofuel production. We can see the biodiesel cycle. Yeah, we can see from oil crops, seeds, extraction, crude vegetable oil, refining, yeah, and then alcohol. That's from process photosynthesis. Okay, next slide. What is important? Number one, green energy replaces the negative effects of fossil fuels and more environmentally friendly. Number two, derived from natural resources, green energy is renewable and clean and low levels of air pollutants. This is good for the planet, also better for the health of people and animals that have to breathe the air. Okay, example of green energy in use today. Number one is heating and cooling in buildings like solar water heaters, biomass fuel boilers, and direct heat from geothermal. Cooling system powered by renewable source. Number two, industrial processes like hydrogen as renewable energy for the cement, iron, steel, and chemical industries. Number three, transport, like biofuels and renewable electricity for transportation in the industrial sector, or like automotive, aerospace, and construction electrification to replace fossil fuels. Okay, I had like to conclude my presentation. Green energy conclusion is number one, to be part of the future of the world. Number two, offering a cleaner alternative to many of today's energy sources. Number three, readily replenished and good for the environment. Number four, leading to job creation and economically viable. Number five, green energy provision without limiting the world. And the end is find solutions from automotive, industrial to renewable electrification. Okay, I'm going to end this presentation. The idea of green technology will help individuals conserve the earth, renewable and non-renewable resources. Along with this, its aim is to reduce negative impacts on the environment caused by human activity, such as pollution and global warming. Thank you. I think that's all for my presentation, and thank you very much. Bye.